You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have the Air Jordan 37. These are the Air Jordan 37 in the light bone fire red colorway. These are the latest Jordans in the signature series, number 37. And they're very reminiscent of the Jordan that released 30 years ago, the Jordan 7. They feature a lot of attributes that pay homage to the Jordan 7 with a lot of new looks, a lot of new technology as well. Starting here at the tongue, you have this felt-like pull tab with 2 dashes for the 2. On the back of that same tongue, you have a 3, and then you also have this Air Jordan spell-out logo. It's the same logo that was featured on the original Jordan 7s. Taking us to the front of the tongue is this very soft-like padded material that features a rigid Jumpman in red, and is connected to the rest of the tongue that's a neoprene material. It comes with these black laces with purple dots, and then taking us to the toe box, you have that Arkema weave. It's like a pliable yarn, kind of looks 3D printed. It's kind of similar to the Flywire that we saw in basketball shoes in the 2000s. And then taking us to the tip of the toe box, you have this AJ, and then you have 37 in Roman numerals. You have a suede material for the mudguard that serves as a whole base for the middle of the shoe, separating the upper and the midsole. And then on the side panel of the shoe, you have more of that Leno weaved Arkema material, making it very lightweight and breathable. Taking us to the ankle padding and the sock liner, it's this same soft material that I felt on the front of the tongue for maximum comfort around your ankle area. And then you also have that neoprene booty similar to the Jordan 7s as well. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have this pull tab, which is very similar to the original Jordan 7s as well. And they have a red Jumpman. And then you also have Michael Jordan's signature right here. Taking us to the bottom of this heel cup on the back of the shoe, you do see AJ.7 in Roman numeral as well. And then you have this translucent plastic piece on the back of the heel cup. And for the midsole, you have more of that translucent piece that's connected to the back of the heel cup. There's another red Jumpman right there for you. And then it's connected to the rest of the midsole, which has a very nice aerodynamic look to it for cuts and jumps, all that good stuff. Taking us to the outsole, you have this multi-directional traction, a lot of grip right here. It features a carbon fiber plate in the middle of the shoe. And then taking us to this red Jumpman, it's surrounded by a lot of the things that Michael Jordan accomplished in 1992, 1993. Scoring champ, MVP, back-to-back NBA champion, gold medalist. And then what we don't see is the Formula 23 foam and the Air Zoom units to help propel you on your jump, but also to soften your landing. I really like the Jordan 37 silhouette. It's very reminiscent of a Jordan 7. I love how Jordan Brand's been incorporating shoes of the past with their new signature shoes. They've done it with the 36 and the 35. They've tried to do it in the past as well in some of the later 20 models, and sometimes it was hit or miss, and it just didn't pan out. But I wish they would have incorporated things like this sooner. It would have made some of the Jordan signature models more wearable, more likable. I really like this colorway, the light bone, fire red. It looks like this should have been on an original Jordan 7 back in the day. It's kind of reminiscent of a reverse Raptor with the tongue and the color, the purple, and even the outsole is very similar. They also did a hair colorway in the 37, and a Bordeaux colorway, and the regular Raptor 7 colorway to pay tribute. I feel like if Jordan was playing today, he would definitely wear these. I also feel like if they were still shooting Seinfeld in 2023, you see Jerry with a pair of these on because it is a white sneaker with all these different colored accents, something that he's known for. They didn't have a big-time superstar pushing this model, so I think that's why they kind of fell under the radar. Pablo Banchero was wearing these. He was Rookie of the Year, so congrats to him. Jason Tatum was wearing his own signature shoe. Luka Doncic was wearing his own signature shoe. Zion, when he was playing, was wearing his own signature shoe, so there wasn't a strong presence behind the Jordan 37, but I think this is better than all of those that came out, and I just feel like it was just missing a little bit of marketing there. These originally dropped at the beginning of the NBA season in 2022, 2023 at a price point of $185, but they ended up going on sale. You can get these anywhere from $100 to $110. I got these on Nike.com for $100, and I had an extra discount, so they came out to like $66. You get these at Dick's Sporting Goods or Finish Line in the other colors that I mentioned for $110 or less, and that's a great deal. You're getting $80, $85 off after tax, and it's one of the best basketball shoes out right now. You get a lot of value for that price point because it does feature the latest technology and some really great colorways that pay homage to the original Jordan 7, which is one of my favorite Jordans of all time. I had the Raptors back in 2002. I think it was one of my first retros. So I just have a sentimental place for Jordan 7s in my heart. As far as comfort goes, they're very comfortable. You can feel that Formula 23 foam. You can feel the air units, the Zoom Air, the padding around the ankle. Super comfortable, super plush. I do suggest going a half size up. These are a size 10. They do run narrow, so If you have a more wide foot, you really gotta break them in or go a half size up. As far as style goes, I wanna bring back wearing Jordan's signature shoes on an everyday basis, not just for the court. I don't wanna have to always resort to my retros. I love my Jordan retros, but I do love new technology. I do love comfort, something different, something new. And I think like these would go great with some blue jeans. I'm gonna try them out on the court, but I think this could be an everyday driver for me just because it is very lightweight and it is very comfortable. How do you guys feel about the Jordan 37? Is it something that you guys are interested in? Like I mentioned, you can pick them up for cheap right now. Let us know in the comments below. And what do you hope they do for the Jordan 38? Love to hear from you guys. Let's go ahead and try these on.
Ayo, we back for sure. Got the green light now, yeah, that's a go. I'm never tripping on what I can't control. But if you speaking on me, make it factual. Ayo, we back for sure. Got the green light now, yeah, that's a go. Make sure the team right, yeah, that's the goal. Until we worldwide rated around the globe. I'm outdoors in these Solomon XT4s. I'm wavy, what you think I'm trying to cop a jet ski for? Shorty bad like Alexa Demi or Demi Moore. Just Paul been the one that they've been checking for. They don't want me, the ball won't let me score. They want a full court press me, dog. But I don't break a sweat, even when the pressure's on. I'm the wrong one they slept on, huh? Okay, I don't keep the receipts. I'm not petty like that. I'm really at peace. I stay ready like that. I might hit up Isaiah, go and get me a tap. Negative energy.
And that's our episode for today. But if you guys are enjoying content like this, make sure you check out all these other videos right here as well. Tons of content for you guys to watch. And we'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.